The morning was quiet. Soft sunlight entered my room. I opened my eyes slowly. I felt calm, like the world was still waking up. I stretched my arms and whispered, "Good morning, Sunday." I walked to the window. Outside, the sky was blue and soft. It looked like a peaceful day. I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and tied my hair. A simple morning, a quiet start. I went to the kitchen and made toast and warm tea. The smell filled the room. I sat down and took a small bite. Suddenly, my phone vibrated. It was a message from my sister, Lily. "Jane, are you free today? Let's go somewhere." I smiled. "Yes," I replied. "Let's meet at the park." Sometimes small plans make beautiful days. I walked to the park. The wind was soft. The trees moved gently. Lily was already waiting at the gate. She waved her hand, smiling brightly. "Jane, you came." "Of course," I said. We walked together on the small path. Leaves crunched under our feet. It felt simple. It felt nice. The park was calm. Birds were sitting on branches. A few children were running in the distance. Lily held my hand and said, "I love days like this. No noise, no rush, just us." I nodded. Yes, peace is beautiful. We walked slowly, step by step, breathing gently. We reached an old wooden bench under a big tree. I loved this bench. Many memories lived here. Lily sat down first. She looked around and said, "This place feels like a story." I laughed softly. It always does. We sat side by side, listening to the wind. Suddenly, a tiny brown and white dog ran toward us. His tail wagged fast. He looked so happy. "Oh, look, Jane," Lily said. The dog stopped near my feet and looked up. His eyes were big and warm. I bent down and petted him. He barked softly, like he was saying hello. An old man walked toward us. He wore a brown coat and a wool scarf. His smile was soft. "That's Biscuit," he said. "He loves meeting new people." We smiled back. "My name is Samuel," he said. "Beautiful day, isn't it?" "Yes," I said. "It really is." Samuel sat with us. He opened his bag and took out a small paper bird. He handed it to Lily. "For you," he said. "A reminder to stay gentle." Lily's eyes sparkled. "Thank you," she said. I watched her smile. Small kindness can make big happiness. Samuel looked at me and said, "You look peaceful today." I nodded. I needed a quiet day. He smiled. "We all need slow days. They help us hear our own hearts." I I felt those words deeply. Sometimes strangers tell us truths we forget. The sun moved higher. Light passed through the leaves like golden waves. Biscuit slept near Lily's feet. We didn't talk much. We didn't need to. It was nice meeting you, he said. Have a beautiful day. You too, we said together. Biscuit barked softly and followed him. Lily whispered, "He was kind." "Yes," I said. "Some people bring peace with them." We walked home slowly. The sky was bright. The air was warm. Lily held the paper bird gently in her hand. "Jane," she said, "I think today was special." I smiled at her. Yes, it really was. Sometimes the simplest days become the sweetest memories.